When we talk about reaching defensible findings, we're talking about the point in an investigation where evidence is transformed into clear, objective conclusions that can withstand scrutiny. This is where the investigator's analytical discipline becomes visible. It's not enough to collect information, we must show how that information supports a particular conclusion, why that conclusion is more probable than the alternatives, and how we arrived there through transparent, structured reasoning. To do this, investigators rely on the balance of probabilities, the civil standard of proof. We're not looking for certainty, and we're not counting witnesses. We're weighing the relative likelihood of competing explanations. Our job is to explain why one conclusion is more probable than another, based on the quality, reliability, and coherence of the evidence. Defensible findings of fact require us to separate facts from assumptions, link each finding directly to its supporting evidence, and articulate the reasoning that connects the two. We avoid speculation, advocacy, or anything that suggests we are pushing for a particular outcome. Instead, we demonstrate how the evidence logically leads to the conclusion. Once findings are formed, we assess our level of confidence. Confidence is not the same as certainty, and it is not the same as the standard of proof. It is simply our professional judgment about the strength of the conclusion based on the available evidence. High confidence means the evidence is strong and consistent. Moderate confidence means the evidence supports the conclusion but leaves some unresolved questions. Low confidence means the conclusion is possible but rests on limited or conflicting information. Whatever the level, we record investigative limitations so the reader understands the boundaries of what could be established. To communicate all of this clearly, we use a decision justification framework. This structured model walks the reader through the issue under consideration, the relevant evidence, the credibility assessment, the alternative explanations we examined, analytical reasoning we applied, the findings of fact we reached, the confidence level we assigned, and the remaining limitations that could not be resolved. When investigators follow this framework, their conclusions become transparent, defensible, and easy for decision-makers to understand. This is the essence of reaching defensible findings: disciplined reasoning, clear articulation, and honest acknowledgement of what the evidence can and cannot support.